So this is a motor that came in with lack of fire, lack of loss of power, and we did a complete DVA, ran it down, and showed that those two coils were bad. They weren't sparking, and so we went ahead and ordered two new ones and stuck them on there. These pretty much look like new ones themselves. So we put them on there. And the two new ones we put on are not sparking, which really confused us, since coils normally don't go bad, but right this moment we've got 4 bad coils. And his old ones, this is one of the old ones, and this looks to be a new one, but we didn't put that on. But we put this one on that's not firing, and this one on that's not firing. And we've been all over this thing trying to figure out, because chance of having 2 coils that are bad and then 2 new coils that aren't firing, it just blows us away. So we've disconnected the kill wires. We've redone the stator output, trigger outputs. Thinking it might have been something strange, we've actually replaced the trigger. We've replaced the stator. Parts are over there. So we've had the flywheel off, checking everything, because we just couldn't believe that we had 4 bad coils. 4 bad coils, but it appears that's where we are.